Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to start our new video series English Writing and Composition. We aim to impart effective writing skills through this series. The first lesson of this series is how to improve your English writing expression. So now let's begin our lesson. Writing has become one of the most direly needed skill in the modern times. People often argue that why there is a need to improve English writing in the first place. Well, several concrete arguments can be made in this regard. We have picked up just a few reasons that will illustrate why there exists the need to improve writing. First of all, writing is a way of communication and expression. In the modern media text oriented times, having strong command over writing has become mandatory, both in personal and professional life. This need can be felt. For instance, the daily routine of texting and connecting through social media necessitates effective writing. Likewise, writing is integral part of official work, reports, demos, presentations, and many other core official works require writing skills. Having understood importance of writing in our lives, there is another important query put forth by beginners, that why some people write better than the others. There are various reasons behind this inherent difference between writing style and influence of different people. The first basic difference is that of imagination. You all might know a famous quotation by Einstein that he once said, "Imagination is much more important than knowledge. It is width and depth of one's vision that determine the scope of one's thought. Narrow and biased perspectives can never conceive novel ideas. Therefore, it is primarily the imaginative difference that is the core reason why some people write better than the others." Secondly, another important difference is the quality and quantity of one's word bank. To write effective, one must have sound vocabulary. It is not essential to use flowery language, but one must have sufficient words to avoid repetition and verbosity in one's writing. Likewise, difference in expression and practice routine also impact the effectiveness and influence of the writing styles. Writing is an art and it improves every time a person puts in efforts. Being an art, it can be learned and mastered over the period of time with consistent efforts and practice. Apart from these elements, several other factors such as the academic background, reading practices, and nativeness also create difference between writing styles and its effectiveness. So these details lead us to conclude a few prerequisites for writing effectively. These prerequisites for effective writing include sound vocabulary, perfect grammar, regular practice, and healthy reading. After working on the fundamental requisites that are directly and essentially needed for writing effective, a few workable strategies are now discussed to help the beginners to initiate the process of effective writing. When we write, we always have a theme or a topic or at least an idea of what to write. Before starting writing, one must do brainstorming, dissecting the topic into various parts and generating more ideas on the same theme is the process of brainstorming. This allows the writer to have a rough sketch of what to write. This practice of triggering activity of brain can be retained on daily basis by keeping a journal. It is not essential to write something academic or technical. Instead, we can improve our writing skills by simply keeping a journal and writing in our daily routine in it. While practicing this, you must initially write smaller sentences. This will allow grammatical correction in your write ups. And one important factor that can pace up this process of improvement is regular evaluation from a teacher, because for the mistakes to be corrected, they must be pointed out in the first place. Lastly, don't expect to master this art in a month or a quarter. Instead, have patience and work regularly, because practice is the key to perfection, and that too, especially for perfecting one's art, and writing is an art. Now, summing up our discussion, it will suffice to say that to write an ounce is to read a ton. Read more, don't procrastinate, start your practice today, and results will start coming soon. That's all for now. We'll be back with more content. Please like, comment, and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.